Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. So today I was driving to work and I found out that my brake caliper seized. My wheel started shaking really bad. It felt like my car was dragging a little bit. So my wheel started shaking really bad. So I pulled over, I got out, and I saw that there was smoke coming from my caliper. I was like, what's going on? So I checked the passenger side. It was only on this side. So I let it cool down for a minute. Then I got to work. I diagnosed it, tried spinning the wheel, and it was really hard to spin the driver's side. Found out that my brake caliper is seized up. So what I did, I pried the pad away from the caliper a little bit, and then my wheel hub started spinning a little more freely. So picked up 2 new calipers, one for the driver's side and the passenger. Figured just replace them both at once, get it over with. So yeah, I'm gonna go through it. Here we go. So first thing you want to do, I'm going to bleed the brakes afterwards, but I'm just going to fill this up while I have the minute. Ooh. Be careful not to get this brake fluid everywhere. It's really caustic, so that means it'll eat paint. Doing this makes bleeding the brakes a lot easier by yourself. Basically that's going to keep the air from going back into the line, which you'll see. Alright, so to take the caliper off, you have 2 17mm bolts. There's a couple small little cotter pins here. I'm just gonna spin this around. There's gonna be one here and one here. Oh, there goes that one. Perfect. Alright, so whenever you crack a brake line open, make sure you have a bucket under here. 10mm. You want to get one of these flange wrenches. It's a brake line or a fuel line wrench. They make it so that you don't round out your brake lines. There we go. See what I did? I pulled that out and I pulled the brake line back just to take this out. All right, there's that caliper off. Oh wow, look at how much rust is in there, guys. Holy cow. Okay, so now I got that in place. I'm gonna put my brake line back in. All right guys, I'm back and I've figured out how this goes on. It goes on just like I had it before. These arms sit there. That one sits like that. Gotta have the brake pad lined up. Then you push the pin in and the pin holds that back. All right, that's locked in place. Now just for this one. All done. All right guys, I'm gonna put this all back together, then I'll show you the bleeding the brakes. The caliper itself, it's torqued to 91 foot-pounds. All right guys, I got everything on. Now I'm gonna bleed the brakes. There we go, no more air left. That's done. Gonna put this cap back on. This caliper's done. But all right, and then I'm just gonna do the other side and then put the wheels back on and then I'm done. All right, and then we're gonna torque our lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for me today. Got her all done, and hopefully it rides pretty well. Only thing I have to do is bring the core calipers back. So that was very unexpected to happen, but yeah, it could have been worse. And hopefully this video helps you out if it happens to you in the future. So yeah, anyways, if you guys like this video, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe to see more videos like these. Peace.